Hi guys again. I'm so sorry I haven't done a video in ages. It's been such a palaver. So yeah, here I am. I'm in handheld mode now, and I'm going to be showing you what I've done with this Henry. You know what? You haven't seen this Henry yet. So this Henry was a Henry. Well, basically you can see it was a 2-speed. Basically, I always used it on high. But I put those tape around this so you can't change it on to low. And it's got like, I haven't got the original top, and it's got a 2011 HVR 200A top on it. It's got a 2000 HVR 200A bass, a HVR 200-12 hose, and a HVR 200-12 pole. But yeah, it's got all inside, just general. I'll show you quickly. I will be uploading videos, or I will be making videos more often. Oh, and also if you see the next video, and it's got this with that switch uncovered, it's because I filmed the video before I modified it. I modified it today, so yeah. So as there's a bit of soap powder on the wall, now I can show you him running. Quite good actually, it doesn't really show, but it's also got one of the Henry Pneumatic International stickers that kindly the pneumatic factory gave me. But yeah, I probably will at one point put one of my blankers on here. It's just I haven't had time, and the blankers are in my shed. But for now, you can't actually push it down. So yeah, there's that. This top came off of another HVR 200A that I've just used parts of it because I have too many of them. But so yeah, there's him. So yeah, so I will be uploading videos more often. This is just a short video, just a little one. But so and just before I go, there is a bit of tape around there because splat. But yeah, so bye guys, and see you guys later. Bye.